Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the PC Silent Case Fan. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. When it comes to building or upgrading a PC, choosing the right case fan is essential for ensuring optimal cooling performance and maintaining a quiet environment. The Mechanic Master Carcarock PC Silent Case Fan is a high-performance option that combines efficient airflow, durability, and customizable features. Designed with advanced technology, this fan aims to enhance your PC's cooling while keeping noise to a minimum. Product features: optimized airflow. With an impressive air volume of 40 cfm, cubic feet per minute, the Carcarock fan ensures that your PC's internal components remain cool even during heavy usage. This is especially beneficial for high-performance gaming setups or workstations that require constant cooling. Fluid bearing technology. The fan is equipped with fluid bearing technology, ensuring smoother operation with reduced friction. This translates to quieter performance and a longer lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. Whether you're using your PC for hours on end or letting it run continuously, the fan will keep performing optimally for years. PWM 4-pin 5V ARGB control. The fan features PWM with 4-pin 5V ARGB control, allowing you to adjust the fan speed for both performance and acoustic preferences. This customization not only helps in optimizing cooling but also provides vibrant ARGB lighting effects to match your PC's aesthetic. Versatile compatibility. Compatible with a 4-pin power interface, the Carcarock fan can be used with a variety of PC cases and power supplies, making it a versatile choice for nearly any setup. Silent operation. Designed for quiet performance, this fan operates at speeds ranging from 600 to 2000 RPM. Its low noise output makes it ideal for users who want a powerful cooling solution without the distraction of loud fan noise. This is perfect for building a quiet PC environment for gaming, work, or media consumption. Pros: efficient cooling. With a 40 cfm airflow, the Carcarock fan ensures that your PC stays cool under pressure, preventing overheating during intense gaming or processing tasks. Long lifespan. The fluid bearing technology offers an extended lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, making this fan a durable, long-term investment for your system. Customizable speed and lighting. The PWM 4-pin 5V ARGB control allows users to tailor the fan speed and lighting effects to fit their needs, providing both functional and aesthetic flexibility. Silent operation. Operating within a 600-2500 RPM range, this fan keeps noise levels down, ensuring that it doesn't interfere with your work, gaming, or multimedia experience. Cons: limited RGB control options. While the fan does offer ARGB lighting, it might not be as customizable as some higher-end models that offer full RGB control through software. Users looking for a wide range of lighting effects may find this feature limiting. Final thoughts: the Mechanic Master Carcarock PC Silent Case Fan stands out as an excellent choice for users who prioritize a combination of effective cooling, silent operation, and customizable aesthetics. While its airflow and quiet performance make it a solid pick for most systems, users looking for more advanced RGB control or higher airflow for extreme setups might want to consider other options. For those who value longevity and smooth performance, the Carcarock fan provides excellent value and functionality. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product for more video.